The Share My Site functionality makes it very easy to reach out to family and friends or potential supporters to ask them to make a purchase which will help benefit your favorite Girl Scouts troop and your Girl Scout Council. From the Girl dashboard, simply click the Share My Site link and you'll see the options here. You can share via Facebook or Twitter, but you can also share via texting or other mobile apps. Simply click the link, choose how you want to send your message, enter your contact, click send, and the text message will appear with your Girl Scouts avatar and a link to click to shop. Upon clicking, your family and friends can then either purchase magazines or delicious nuts and chocolates. As long as your Girl Scout program is still open for online girl delivery, your family and friends will then have the option to make purchases that your Girl Scout can deliver to them. Money will be collected at the time the customer places the order.